National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Kendall County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern LaSalle County in north-central Illinois, DeKalb County in north-central Illinois, Grundy County in northeastern Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, until noon. At 10:52 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Cherry Valley to near Waterman to near Marseilles to near Odell, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Aurora, Joliet, Elgin, DeKalb, Bartlett, Plainfield, Carpentersville, St. Charles, Oswego, Algonquin, West Chicago, Batavia, Hunley, Geneva, Sycamore, Yorkville, Morris, Channahon, Canton Hills, and Manuka. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 219 and 234. Interstate 80 between mile markers 98 and 123. Interstate 88 between mile markers 86 and 120. Interstate 90 between mile markers 42 and 56. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Aurora University, Elgin Community College, Fermilab, Gethardwood State Park, Grundy County Speedway and Fairgrounds, Illinois Math and Science Academy, King County Cougars Ballpark, Waupensee Community College, and William G. Stratton State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh shit. This is probably the new one. The Weather Radio House. See what this is though.
The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lake County in northeastern Illinois, Will County in northeastern Illinois, Northern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, DuPage County in northeastern Illinois, Cook County in northeastern Illinois, until 12:45 p.m. At 11:28 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Marengo to Batavia to Lakewood Shores, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Pockets of enhanced wind damage are possible along this line.
Crap.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Glad I had that rolling.
Roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chicago, Aurora, Joliet, Naperville, Elgin, Waukegan, Cicero, Hammond, Arlington Heights, Evanston, Schaumburg, Bolingbrook, Palatine, Skokie, Des Plaines, Orland Park, Tinley Park, Oak Lawn, Berwyn, and Mount Prospect. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 235 and 294. Interstate 57 between mile markers 315 and 358. Interstate 80 between mile markers 124 and 155. Interstate 88 between mile markers 121 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 57 and 107. Interstate 94 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 290 between
Oh my gosh, shut the actual hell up now.
Interstate 294 between mile markers 1 and 74. Interstate 355 between mile markers 1 and 30. Indiana Interstate 90 between mile markers 1 and 2. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
It's sure shitty outside.
This is no weather.
You'd see the rain bands.
The new guy?
The old guy.
Like a tornado. Look at it.
Well, that was pretty cool.